my idiots on you because it's me, Angela. Oh. And it's Corey.
Happy New Year's!
Happy New Year! And then we're gonna tell you Happy New Year. Okay?
Did anybody hear me?
Yes. Anyways, we're gonna be coming back on April 2010, or probably earlier than that.
Oh, that's nice.
We're not really doing anything. There's Corey, he's weird. So yeah. Got anything to say? Oh, to all the fans, thank you for one great year, 2009. Awesome.
Put the line in there. I can see like a big circle with a line on your head.
I want to give a big shout out to Coolio and Crash.
I'm just kidding. You're cool, man. You're
Yeah.
cool. Just act age too much stuff.
So anyways,
Just
it's
kidding.
freezing. We're going to see you guys back on April 2010.